Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best niacinamide serum is probably one of the most talked about ingredients in skincare right now, and for good reason, as it promises to tackle a multitude of common skin concerns from enlarged pores and uneven texture to dullness and fine lines, making it a versatile powerhouse for achieving a clearer, brighter, and smoother complexion. Today, we're diving deep into the Naturium Niacinamide Serum to see if it lives up to the hype and truly delivers on its impressive claims, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your routine. Number 5. InstaNatural Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Discover the secret to a smoother, more youthful complexion. This powerful serum is designed to visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Experience intense hydration that leaves your skin feeling plump and refreshed. It also works to brighten your overall skin tone for a healthy glow. Infused with nourishing vitamin C, jojoba oil, and aloe vera, this formula harnesses the power of nature to care for your skin. Target the signs of aging with this effective serum. It helps to diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles, revealing smoother skin. Give your skin the moisture it craves and enhance its natural radiance. This serum provides essential hydration while promoting a brighter appearance. Formulated with care, this serum is gentle on your skin while delivering visible results. Enjoy a revitalized look and feel. What we like. This serum is packed with natural ingredients to hydrate and brighten your skin. It also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. If you are looking for a serum with a blend of beneficial natural extracts, this one is a great choice. What people say. My skin is smoother, brighter, tighter, and fresher looking. My pores are reduced like all the way, leaving my skin texture smoother. Also, I see clarity and an even tone now. I had discoloration around my chin and side of my face since my 20s and that is gone, in specific yellowing around the mouth. That is such a big deal. I have a dark spot, nothing major but obvious, and that has faded. Below my chin I have a faint line that has been there since my late 20s and that is gone, and that is huge to me, because for the life of me I would have to do multiple treatments to make that go away for like 24 hours, and last but not least the lines and a bit of puffins that I began to notice after my 42 NDBD, are gone. It's smoother, feels more firm. My pores are clear and I've noticed a more even tone where it was previously uneven. Number 4. TruSkin Vitamin C Super Serum. Discover the power of our Vitamin C Super Serum. It's designed to bring out your skin's natural radiance and vitality. Experience 5 essential skin benefits in a single, potent formula. This serum works to transform your complexion. Watch as it brightens your skin, helps to firm its appearance, and smooths out fine lines. You'll love the revitalized look. Infused with vitamin C, retinol, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and squalane. These key ingredients work together for optimal results. See a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and tone. It's your secret to a more youthful and glowing appearance. Incorporate this serum into your daily routine for consistent improvement. It's the perfect addition to achieve your skincare goals. What we like. Experience 5 skin benefits in a single serum, including brightening and firming. Its potent blend targets multiple concerns at once. If you prefer a streamlined routine with a powerful, multitasking formula, this is the one for you. What people say. The very prominent dark spot on my upper lip is so faded it's no longer the first thing you notice when you look at me. It also had a rough texture to it that caught and held foundation. The texture is now smooth. My wrinkles are less noticeable. My skin is soft and moisturized. Also, my dark spots are almost completely gone as well. My skin always looks dewy and smooth with this product. Super moisturizing and healthy. The combination of vitamin C, niacinamide, retinol, hyaluronic acid, and squalane has made my skin look brighter, smoother, and more hydrated. It absorbs quickly, isn't greasy, and layers beautifully under moisturizer and makeup. I've noticed a real improvement in my skin's texture and glow. Number 3. Niacinamide 5% Serum. Tired of stubborn acne and visible pores? Our niacinamide serum is here to help. It works to minimize pores and treat acne for clearer-looking skin. Dark spots and uneven skin tone can be a thing of the past. This powerful formula targets discoloration, revealing a brighter, more even complexion. Experience deep hydration without the greasy feel. Infused with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, aloe, and neem, it quenches your skin's thirst. Turn back the clock on aging. This serum helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a more youthful look. Formulated for effectiveness and gentleness. It's non-greasy and suitable for daily use, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Incorporate this serum into your daily routine for consistently clear and radiant skin. It's your secret weapon for a flawless complexion. What we like. This serum focuses on minimizing pores and treating acne while correcting dark spots. Its non-greasy formula is hydrating and packed with beneficial ingredients. If you struggle with blemishes, enlarged pores, or uneven skin tone, this serum is designed to help. What people say. My pores have shrunk significantly, and some have actually begun to disappear. This serum is milky white with the consistency of almost a gel serum moisturizer hybrid. Wet or dry, it does a really good job of absorbing into the skin without leaving it feeling sticky or like it's drying on top of your skin and going nowhere fast. Already after a week my skin has improved significantly and my blackheads have also become less. Number 2. Niacinamide 12% Serum with Zinc and Hyaluronic Acid. Tired of visible pores? Our advanced serum is formulated to visibly minimize their appearance, giving you smoother looking skin. This potent formula targets dark spots and helps to even out your skin tone. Achieve a more uniform and radiant complexion with consistent use. Experience balanced, brighter skin. It effectively controls excess oil while enhancing your skin's natural luminosity. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it delivers essential hydration. Your skin will feel plump, refreshed, and deeply moisturized. Powered by vitamin B3, niacinamide, and vitamin E, this serum nourishes your skin. It works to improve overall skin health and appearance. Reveal your most radiant skin yet. This serum is designed to enhance your natural beauty, leaving your complexion looking healthy and revitalized. What we like. With a high concentration of niacinamide and zinc, this serum is excellent for controlling oil and evening out skin tone. It also targets dark spots and provides hydration. If you have oily or combination skin and are looking to refine your pores and achieve a more balanced complexion, consider this option. What people say. My pores have shrunk significantly, and some have actually begun to disappear. This serum is milky white with the consistency of almost a gel serum moisturizer hybrid. Wet or dry, it does a really good job of absorbing into the skin without leaving it feeling sticky or like it's drying on top of your skin and going nowhere fast. Also notice that my skin is softer and more even-toned. Better than salicylic acid and also outperformed niacinamide ordinary by a long shot. Number 1. Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dew Drops. Experience the ultimate hydration with our revolutionary serum. It's formulated to give you a radiant, dewy complexion. Infused with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, this serum deeply moisturizes your skin. Achieve a healthy, luminous look effortlessly. This multitasking formula works as a serum, primer, and liquid highlighter. Get ready to glow like never before. Harnessing the power of Korean beauty secrets, this product delivers exceptional results. It's your shortcut to flawless, hydrated skin. Achieve that coveted dewy finish instantly. This lightweight serum absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and looking luminous. Enriched with niacinamide, it helps to improve skin texture and tone. Reveal smoother, brighter, and more radiant skin with every use. What we like. Achieve a radiant, dewy glow with this serum that doubles as a primer and highlighter. It deeply hydrates your skin, leaving it plump and luminous. If you love a dewy finish, want to prep your skin for makeup, or simply desire a radiant complexion, this is your go-to. What people say. Makes my skin super soft and moisturized, and it does give me a very healthy glow. Makes my face feel perfectly hydrated and elastic. A little bit goes a long way, it smears around very easily and soaks in quickly. I noticed that my pores got smaller and not as noticeable, it smells refreshing and feels really hydrating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.